Wanje Ombukufu omwami CYRIL niwe chairman Western Uganda Film Producers Association kandi ndiyo muhwezi we. Nabashemererwa kandi nashemererwa na Madam Lois okushanga ngo yakushwerwa kandi arikumanya umurumo oguyakushanga. Kanshabe abakozi ba filmu bakira omwami CYRIL omushwero burukwera.
Okay.
Twineho abandi bakozi ba filmu bakuruga ombitongore bitarukushana. Twineho omwami Rauben twine na Rugambarara Greater Film Production tumwakire. Twineho omwami Katabazi George Director Nkore City Actors Mbarara. Twineho omwami Biryo Misho Moses Unique Films Production. Twineho injira mwije abantu bongere kubamanya. Twineho mwami Muhozi Shedi mwami Muhozi Shedi abasakwija Felix Media producer. Twineho mwami Mwesije Wycliffe Hill Power Films Mbarara City. Twineho omwami Muwonge omwami Muwanga Godfrey nobasakwija nabamwe abakure bitongore ebirikuzana films ezimuri kureba omubantu kandi tugaraka tugerayo n'omwami baryabawe CYRIL arukurra Kigezi Universal Dramatist omugore witu werizo nanyena tware kimwaka gishaka twakire General Secretary omwamogu na kurra group ya Ibanda Stars Performing Group nerga omuri Ibanda. Abazani abija bashendekerize ba directors mbasa kwimuka aho mu ruhona. Abazani abija basendekerize ba directors.
They can come forward. Can come forward for.
Okay, can join us here. Yeah. Twineho ichabazani n'abakozi ba film byandikije. Twineho chairman Western Uganda Film Distributors Association omwami Ashaba bakwakira. So abantu b'abantu abari kugezaho okutambuza film ahabwa burengero rwizoba bwa Uganda kuriga ombitongore bitarukushana konko muri twe twine nkwatanze kanyakire Madam Jane Nambasa na omwami Kakembo Director wa Enforcement omu UFMI. Madam Jane Nambasa twakwakira kandi n'omwami Kakembo twabakira omwanya ogwa Kabale Kigezi kandi no kubasa kushika amukoro gw'omukozi wa film mugenzi witu. Ninza kubanza kwikirize ogere bigambo bice mwagambaho then abwanyuma mbone kumizamo.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our dear guests, I'm so honored to be part of this going. You'll kindly allow me to use English. My name is Jane Nambasa. I am the Chief Executive Officer, Uganda Federation of Movie Industry, the organization that controls all film stakeholders in the country in the management of copyright. We are so grateful to be part of this wedding. We are coming from Kampala. When Mr. Banyakitara told us that today he will be here, we said yes, everything has to stop and we have to be part of his going. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a great hand clap to the great God who has enabled Silili to be here and celebrate his wedding. We are standing with you. We love you so much and we wish you the very best in your journey. Thank you so much for accepting us. We are us and you will enjoy us because our life is so easy. We are so much into entertainment. We make things happen. We make things happy. I know you will enjoy our journey. We wish you the very best. And Mr. Silili, I want to assure you the support of the Uganda Federation of Movie Industry. Actually, the whole movie industry stands with you. They sent us to come and represent them wherever they are. All our directors, I've moved with my director here. We are so grateful and we promise to be with you throughout your journey. May God bless you.
Mukazi tumwongera ubugorogamani kuyamba.
Ari komwe mbarukure kitongore cha FMI n'umukono kumwe kwa government kuranda URSP bakwatsa amateka ga copyright. Abintu ebyo muntu rukweteka tekero kahanga. So ogunomwe ambare kukorera okwatsa amateka. Echo kureberaho nanka aine filmu yo muzana kishara mukopizi abantu bakushikirira bakabasa okumutwara omumbuga z'amateka. Fikiriya twena nk'abakozi ba filmu nanyenzere kusima umwana Patrice we bari kwija umukorogu kandi n'umuntu uri kwirukanjira munonga abakozi ba filmu munonga kumwakira barabiro nawo umukorogu muri Kampala konka n'umuntu ari kuhajira we bari munonga nenzabo ya Rukungiri kandi n'abarukungira umwena mwe bare kwija nzagwa zo witu babakira mukorogo mwami CYRIL baryabawe umwana witu. Umwami CYRIL twine ebahasaha itwantwe na mutukuretere ahubwo kuburyo umugore n'injani twe turijokwe.
Okay. Mwenu you will DJ transport as they go. Okay. Right.